Hey y'all,
welcome back.
Today we'll be showing you guys how to make a special dish requested by one of our subscribers called Nui Xao Bo, which also translates to stir-fry noodle with beef in English. So be sure to stay throughout this video to learn this simple, delicious recipe. And y'all know what time it is. It is taste test time.
Yes.
This is our final product. So let's see how it
Grab your fork.
tastes and how we do in making it.
Oh yeah. Got a piece of beef.
I got beef, vegetables.
Macaroni. Piece of vegetables. Grab some more macaroni.
I'm trying to get everything in there alone.
Okay. Cheers.
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 Whoa. It's tender, it's flavorful.
Juicy.
And the noodle, you can taste, it's not bland. It's good. This can easily be one of the kids' favorite dish, like requests and family, you know, dinner request for your family. So I'm glad that, you know, one of our subscribers requested this because now I'm gonna make this for our kids.
Oh, yeah. And it's really simple and easy to make.
What do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Give a perfect score.
Okay, 10 out of 10.
10 out
so
of 10.
y'all do not leave yet. Stay throughout this video and learn this recipe. Okay.
Right. Let's dive right in.
To start, let's gather the following ingredients. 1/2 pound of macaroni, but you can use any shape or kind of pasta you like, and 1/2 pound of ribeye beef. But you may also substitute this cut for other tender cut like strip or filet mignon. Our vegetables of choice will consist of red bell pepper, green onions, garlic, white onion, choy, which is another variety of Chinese broccoli, cilantro to garnish our dish with, and chili pepper, which is totally optional. Other ingredients will include black pepper, sugar, cornstarch, cooking oil, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, butter, tomato paste, chicken bouillon, and sriracha, which is optional if you like to give your sauce a little kick. And as always, the ingredients and specific measurements will be listed in the box below, so be sure to check that out. First, we'll prepare our vegetables for this dish. Smash your garlic and mince them. Cut your white onion in half through the root and peel off the skin. Then slice vertically into thin slices. We'll cut our bell peppers lengthwise into strips as well. We'll run our knife through the length of the choy. And finally, cut your green onions into nice chunks, perhaps 2 to 3 inches like so. Next, we'll cut and marinate our meat. I like to cut my meat into thick slices and then into cubes, but you may cut your meat into thin slices if you prefer. Once done, transfer the cut meat into a bowl and let's add the following ingredients to marinate our meat. 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, which will give the cooked meat a nice smell and color. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking oil, 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Give this a good mix and set it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, while our beef is marinating, let's boil our noodle. We are using large macaroni noodles, but feel free to use whatever pasta you have in the pantry. Bring your pot of water to a boil and generously season your water with salt and oil, and add in your noodle. Stir it around so they do not stick together. Follow the instruction on the package to cook your noodles slightly before al dente. Perhaps 1 to 2 minutes less than what the instruction says. Drain your noodle into a colander and rinse with cold water. And set this aside for later. Now let's create our stir-fry sauce. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha, which is optional, and give this a good mix. Let's kick to it. Now, let's get cooking. First, we'll stir fry our macaroni. To your pan, heat your cooking oil and then add half of your remaining minced garlic. Before it starts to brown, add in your pasta and saute it for a couple of minutes. Add in 2 tablespoons of your stir-fry sauce and then stir often. Remove the pasta from the pan and set it aside. Next, melt your butter and add your remaining minced garlic. Add in your marinade beef and let it cook on one side for about a minute before you flip them. It's smelling so wonderful right now, y'all. Once your meat becomes charred on all sides, introduce your onions and bell pepper. In a couple of minutes, once your onions become translucent, add in your Choy and another tablespoon of your stir-fry sauce and give everything a good mix. Now add your pasta and stir everything together one last time for another minute. Sprinkle some black pepper to give it a nice fragrance and turn off the heat. Now, it's time to transfer this to a serving plate and garnish with cilantro on top. It's not necessary, but you can have a bowl of chili sauce on the side to use for dipping for that extra flavor if you would like. And friends, there you have it, Vietnamese stir-fried macaroni with ribeye steak. Doesn't this look lovely, y'all? This beef is so tender and juicy, and it just smells so good. The veggies are still crispy and the noodles are soft. This dish is just perfect. It's easy and simple to make, and we guarantee you will love it. And so will your kids. We promise. And friends, that's how you make Nui Xao Bo. If you like what you see today and you want to support us, please press the like and subscribe button and the bell button so that way it will notify you when we release our new videos. And let us know what you think about our recipe in the comments down below. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.